Yo, Blackjack here, and the purpose of this video is to essentially create a beat from speech. Now it's recording. So it's going to record all of my speech, and I'm going to try to pronunciate as I talk to you. I can get and make use of consonants to make hi-hats and various drums, kicks, as well as use some tone in my voice, just in case I need to make some melodic lines. So I'm going to be sampling all of this via the Digitakt by Electron. I'm back here. I got everything set up. Now it's recording. I take this. Now it's recording. And so, I'm going to take this track and just copy it to every single... Now it's recording. So this is all there. So now what I'm gonna probably do is now it's recording. I'm gonna start looking for. Now it's recording. I'm gonna fish. So I'm gonna start playing around with the start time and I'm gonna make this obviously a shorter wave because. I found a hi-hat. I'll turn up. That still needs work, and it's bothering me. Like, I mean, I guess I could resample it. So what I'm gonna do is I'm probably gonna resample this. I'm probably gonna end up resampling this, right? Have to worry about that. So I'm gonna take. Oh wait a minute. That's pretty. It's something to work with. It looks pretty like kicky. I mean, it's not pretty. It's not a pretty looking kick, but it's still a kick. Where it was. Oh, look. So look. Remember, I put it back on track 1, and track 1 already has effects on it, you know, to make it sound like a kick. But now it's actually starting to sound like a kick, you know. So this is like, I gotta. There we go. Alright, so we got a kick. It's an ugly ass kick though. I'm gonna do something just basic.